Welcome to the story world. You can learn effective facts about life by subscribing the channel and turn on the notification bell for our next video. Let's start the video. In a bustling little town tucked between rolling green hills and misty mountains, there lived a clockmaker named Elias. His workshop, with its creaky wooden floors and walls lined with ticking clocks, was both a marvel and a mystery. People from neighboring towns came to Elias, not just for clocks, but for wisdom, for it was said that he knew the secret of success. One crisp autumn morning, a young man named Adrian entered Elias's workshop. Adrian's face was etched with frustration. His dreams of becoming a writer seemed farther away than ever, and he sought answers. "Master Elias," Adrian began, "I've heard you hold the secret to success. I've tried everything: hard work, persistence, and even sacrifice, but I remain a failure. Will you share your secret with me?" Elias smiled, his gray eyes twinkling like the gears of a finely tuned clock. "Ah, the secret of success," he said, his voice warm yet enigmatic. "Follow me." He led Adrian to the back of the workshop, where a peculiar clock stood. Unlike any other, it had 12 hands spinning at different speeds. The clock's face was blank, save for a single golden keyhole in its center. "This," Elias said, "is the clock of wisdom. To learn the secret of success, you must unlock it. But the key lies in the labyrinth beneath my workshop. Find it, and the secret will be yours." Adrian's heart raced with anticipation. Determined, he descended into the labyrinth, a maze of winding tunnels dimly lit by flickering lanterns. Each turn presented challenges, puzzles to solve, doors to unlock, and riddles to answer. Hours turned into days as Adrian navigated the labyrinth, his body weary but his spirit relentless. At last he found the key, a small golden artifact shimmering in the dim light. Triumphant, Adrian rushed back to the workshop. Elias awaited him, calmly polishing a clock face. "Did you find the key?" Elias asked without looking up. "Yes," Adrian exclaimed, holding it up. Elias nodded approvingly. "Then unlock the clock." With trembling hands, Adrian inserted the key into the clock. The gears whirred, the hands aligned, and the face of the clock began to glow. Slowly, words etched themselves into the glowing surface. "Success is not a destination but a journey of choices." Adrian stared at the words, his excitement turning to confusion. "That's it? I endured all that for this?" Elias chuckled softly. "Did you expect a shortcut or some magical formula? Tell me, what did you learn in the labyrinth?" Adrian thought for a moment. "I learned patience, perseverance, and problem-solving. I discovered strength I didn't know I had, and realized that every obstacle taught me something valuable." Elias smiled. "Exactly. Success isn't a singular moment or achievement. It's the growth you experience along the way. The labyrinth was your journey. The challenges shaped you, just as time shapes us all." Adrian's frustration melted into understanding. The words on the clock began to make sense. Success was not about a specific outcome, but about the transformation that came from striving toward one's goals. But as Adrian turned to thank Elias, something strange happened. The workshop faded, the walls dissolving into golden light. Adrian found himself back in his small, cluttered apartment, a pen in hand and a blank page before him. The experience felt like a vivid dream, yet it had left an indelible mark on his heart. He picked up the pen and began to write, not for fame or recognition, but for the sheer joy of creation. Over time his words touched many lives, and Adrian became a celebrated writer, not because he sought success, but because he embraced the journey. Years later, when asked about the secret of his success, Adrian would smile knowingly and reply, "It's all in the journey and the lessons you gather along the way." The clockmaker's words lived on, not as a hidden truth, but as a reminder. Success is not a treasure to be found, but a story to be written, one choice at a time. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and turn on with us for more exciting videos.